Hi there! Today I'll show you how to use the assignment tracker template, which can be purchased on our website SpreadsheetsHub.com. This template helps you stay organized, keep all deadlines in one place, and manage your workload more efficiently. Before getting started, take a moment to read the instructions on the first page. They'll guide you through how to use the template effectively. The first step shows how to specify categories that will later be used to generate drop-down lists. Next, it shows how to enter assignment data into the main table. The next step shows how to analyze your assignment tracker monitoring and better understand your progress. The fourth step shows how to analyze data using specific filters. The fifth step shows how to analyze data using a calendar. Go to the settings sheet. Begin filling in the data by specifying the categories on the settings sheet. You can enter subjects such as English, biology, economics, psychology, or any others you are taking. You can specify the type of assignment, for example, essay, reading, quiz, exam, project, lab report, presentation, or homework. The column can include values such as high, medium, or low, depending on the urgency and workload. In the status column, enter different status options, for example, not started, in progress, in review, completed, or canceled. You can specify up to 900 options for each category. Next, go to the assignment tracker sheet. To fill in the data on this sheet, start by entering the information in the table below. Enter the date. Select class or course. Select type. Enter a description. Select priority. Drop-down lists are generated based on the data specified in the settings sheet. Enter the due date and time. The day left column is calculated automatically. Select status. Enter grade. Entering grades for completed tasks helps maintain a clear and precise overview of your progress. Enter any notes if necessary. Let's enter a few more examples. To highlight data in the priority and status columns with colors, make sure to enter categories exactly as shown in the example. Data entered differently will not be color-coded. To make things easier for you, the input cells are highlighted in light blue, and the formula cells that update automatically are marked in light pink. It's best not to change the formula cells, as this could disrupt the calculations. These cells are also locked for protection. If you still decide to modify a formula, just enter your data. And click OK when prompted. The formula will be updated. In the Excel version, you can unlock the sheet without a password if needed, but we recommend leaving the formulas untouched to ensure everything functions correctly. After entering the data, we move on to the analysis section. The model is in English by default, but if you want to translate the tables into another language, you can use our TranslateHub tool. It's quick, accurate, and super easy to use. You'll find the link in the description below. Let's return to the template. The top block shows a summary of task statuses, allowing you to see how many tasks are at each step. The progress indicator shows the percentage of tasks that have been completed. The progress by type chart shows the number of tasks by type. This makes it easy to see which types of assignments are most frequent and helps plan time and effort accordingly. The upcoming deadlines table shows tasks that are due in the coming days, displaying the 8 most imminent ones. This allows for better planning, ensures nothing is missed, and helps focus on what needs attention first. The priority by class chart helps quickly see which classes have the most high priority tasks, making it easier to focus on what matters most. The status overview chart shows tasks by status. By checking this chart, it's simple to see how much work is done and what still needs focus. Next, go to the data overview sheet. This sheet allows viewing data for the chosen period with the option to filter by class or course in priority. Select the period. The upper block allows for analysis of summary data by status. In the upcoming deadlines table, you can view urgent tasks. In the priority overview chart, you can view the structure of tasks by status. Using the class chart, you can analyze the grade by class or course. The structure of tasks can be analyzed by grade. This makes it easy to see which grades require more attention and manage time effectively. Detailed information about the tasks is available in the table below. Filters can also be applied by a class and priority, and the data will update automatically based on the selected filters. Using these filters helps quickly find relevant tasks, stay organized, and focus on what's most important. Go to the calendar sheet. The data on this sheet is updated automatically. You only need to select the year and month on this sheet. In this table, you can view detailed information about the tasks that need to be completed. Tasks that have been completed or canceled are not included in the table. You can also view tasks in the calendar. This allows for a clear visual overview of upcoming deadlines, making it easier to plan and manage time effectively. Just a quick technical note, if you're using the Excel version of this report, we recommend using Excel 2021 or later to ensure all formulas work correctly. Also, please avoid opening the Excel file in Google Sheets. If you prefer working in Google Sheets, we suggest using the dedicated Google Sheets version of the report instead. Give it a try by entering your own assignments and see just how simple and organized tracking your tasks can be. The template is available for download through the link in the description below. If you need a customized solution, our team can create tailored spreadsheets to suit any level of complexity. We also offer templates with resale rights, along with an open affiliate program for those interested in collaboration. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.